All right. Hello, students. I just wanted to make this video just to answer some questions that you guys had. I had some few people um, email me about questions about grades for the rest of the year. So I just wanted, and the expectations. So I wanted to make this video. So I know that this year has looked a lot different than what we had previously expected at the beginning of the year. Through this document, my hope is that you can get a better understanding of how grading and what the expectations will be for the rest of the year, starting this week until June 5th, the rest of the year. Okay, so if at any time, please feel free to contact me via email is probably the best way to contact me. If you have any questions about grades or about work, assignments, questions, anything, please feel free to contact me at my email address, which is listed right there in blue. Okay, so the next thing, this slide isn't really different. Okay, the only difference here is that in the grade book on Aries, it will be a different grade book. So the one that says new grade book or up to date grade book, that's the one with distance learning. Okay, that's the one. So don't look at the one that we had done for the rest of the year. That won't be updated. The one that will be updated is the one that says um, new grade book or updated grade book or distance learning grade book. Okay. So grades. A is the same percentage. B is the same percentage. C is the same percentage. D's. If you get a D, it won't be a D on your final grade. It'll be considered credit. And an F won't be an F. It'll be considered no credit. Okay. Those are the only changes to final grades. So how will you receive your final grade? Well, your grade's going to be based off two things. 50% of your grade, so half your grade, will come from your 6-week progress report grade. Whatever that was, that'll be that'll be half your grade. So where will the other half come from? Well, the other half's going to come from the work that you've been doing since we've been gone. Okay, so for the rest of the year, all the work that's been gone, that since we've been gone, that's been assigned on Google Classroom, that is work that's intended to help improve your grade. Okay, so your final grade cannot go below the 6-week progress report grade. Okay, one more time. So your final grade will not go below the 6-week progress report grade. On Aries, you might have a grade as the year goes on, your grade might go below that 6-week progress report, but don't worry, I will fix it at the end. Your grade will be what you got on your 6-week progress report unless it improves. If you complete the work, turn in all the work, follow these directions that I'm giving you now, there's no reason why your grade can't improve. Okay, so there's three categories now. So these categories will be participation, which is 20%, assignments is 60%, mastery is 20%. Okay, so I'm going to explain to you what they are. So participation. So participation is pretty much completing the assignments, looking on Google Classroom, watching the videos that I've assigned, taking notes, that sort of thing. So if you do the assignments, you're going to get your full participation points. Assignments, completing all the assignments, completing each assignment, whether it's a Khan Academy assignment or whether it is a written assignment. Okay, so you need to complete the assignment, each assignment. Okay, so to make sure that you get credit for it. So if it's an assignment that you're doing by hand on paper, make sure you complete it, upload it, and show work, please. So there's videos on Google Classroom that show how to upload handwritten assignments to Google Classroom, which many of you have done already. Okay, and then the third assignment is mastery checkpoints. These assignments are designed to find out if you're understanding the content that's being taught or the assignments that are being given. Okay, these assignments will be about once a week, once every 2 weeks, and and if you get a 70% or higher on these assignments, you will get full credit for mastery. You will have unlimited number of attempts at these assignments. So if you don't get a 70% or higher the first time, try it again. If you don't get it on the second time, try it again. You can keep trying it again. Once you hit that 70% or higher, you will get full credit for those mastery assignments. Okay, so online work. So make sure all work is submitted through Google Classroom. Okay, so please refer to the video I posted on Google Classroom. There's 2 videos actually that show you how to do that. Okay, so make sure your name is visible on all pages of assignments that you scan and upload. Okay, the assignment name is written on there too. Okay, all Khan Academy assignments. So if the assignment is on Khan Academy, you don't need to turn anything in. You just need to complete it with a 75% accuracy or higher. If you don't get a 75% the first time, again, please try again to get that so that you can get full points in the assignment category. Okay, late work will count, but it'll be half credit unless you previously asked me for an extension. Okay. Okay, so students, please remember that your final grade, even though your final grade is very important, your final grade is very important. Preparing yourself for next year is just as important. I know many of you are going to be taking AP calculus, and these concepts that we're talking about, that you're completing your assignments on for Trig, are extremely important for next year. Okay, so please continue to complete all assignments that have been and will be posted on Google Classroom. If you have questions on it, please feel free. I can create videos for you to watch. I have a YouTube channel which I've created videos to help answer questions. So please, if you have any questions, please email me and I will be more than happy to answer any questions about how to complete an assignment or anything else. Okay, students? All right, that is it. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me.